Hello, everybody. Welcome. My name is Abid. Today we will discuss the third question of the history, and the third question is who were Marini and the Germania. What was the importance of the way in which they were portrayed? So here is a reference. I have shown you some reference that Marini has been the national personification of the French Republic since the French Revolution, as a personification of the liberty and equality, fraternity, reason, and the portrayed of the goddess of liberty. So when we have discussed illustrately the topic of the French Revolution, the slogan of the French Revolution is that equality, liberty, and fraternity. So these all words has been also influenced by the Marini, and who have also personifications of these words and aware the people that you are one, and you are belong to your fatherland, and you are the citizen that you have need to make your own constitution, and the constitution should be based on the elected or the parliamentary type of the system. So Marini is displayed in many places in France and holds a place of honor in town halls and law courts. She is depicted in the Trump of the Republic, a bronze sculpture overlooking the place de la Nation in Paris, and is represented the another Pharisee statue in the Place de Republica. Her profile stands out on the official government logo of the country, is engraved on the French euro coins, and appears of the French postage stamp. It was also featured on the former France currency. Marini is one of the most prominent symbol of the French Republic and is officially used to most government of the documents. So here we found that Marini was also a great person, or you can say that he was the nationalist and who have aware the people and inspired people, and also who have personification of liberty, equality, fraternity, and the reason and portrait of the goddess of the liberty. And right now we found so many things, or you can say so many logos in the French currencies, and also we found that so many statues they have made, or you can say that they have honored the Marini. That's why, because during the period of French Revolution or the unification of the French, who have played a significant and important role to become a one nation. So this is the clear discussion of the Marini. So also here another reference, you can write only one definition, one reference which I have discussed the previous slide. But in second slide, Marini is a significant republican symbol. Her French monarchy's equivalent is often the Joan of Arc. As a national icon, Marini represents the opposition to monarchy and the chairmanship of the freedom and democracy against all the forms of the oppression. Other national symbol of the France include the tricolor flag, the national motto liberty, égalité, fraternité, the national anthem, La Marseillaise, the oath, the coat of the arms. And so before first slide, I have discussed illustrated that who were Marini, and here we also found that there were so many kinds of the logo, so many kinds of the things that had been exist only for the owner of the Marini. So the second one point is our we have need to discuss illustrately. So I have shown there that the first one is there Marini, and another is Germania. Germania was the Roman term for the historical region in the north central Europe. It initially inhabited mainly by the Greece tribe. So Greece by the Germania tribe. So Germania, it is a term which is used during the period of you can say that it is the Roman term which is used for the inhabited European, those they are inhabited in, or you can say that they are the Germanic tribe, tribes. The origin of the term Germania is uncertain, but known to have been used at the age of Julius Caesar, who wrote in the 1st century BC about warlike Germania tribes and their threat to Roman Gaul and military classes. Roman Gallic war between the Roman and the other tribes. In the 1st century AD, Tacitus wrote Germania, the most complete account of the Germania that who have survived. So here we have discussed illustrately the topic of Germany, and another reference of the Germania is here. You have first slide. You have need to write only one of the reference, or you can choose the first slide in which we have discussed illustrated Germania, or you can say the Marinia, only one. So I have given you, that's why, because maybe you will be feel any misunderstanding. So due to this cause I have choose 2 slide, and each topic like the Germany and the Marinia. So Germania extended from the Danube and the Main in the south of the Baltic Sea, and from the Rhine in the west to the Vistula. The Roman portion formed 2 provinces of the empire. Germania inferior to the north, present day South, Netherlands, Belgium. There are so many countries. They have given the reference. During the antiquity, Germania was initially inhabited not only the German tribes but also Celts, Belts, Santhanias, Sarmantanias, and aliens and outer lands of the Poland. They especially migrants from the during of the migration period were many. So we have discussed this topic illustratively. If you have any problem, you can comment me, and inshallah in future I will give you some source also. So what was the important of the way in which they were portrayed? Marini and Germania were the female. Both were the female. Germania and Marinia were the female allegoric of France and Germania nation respectively. They stood as personification of the republic liberty. They were portrayed such that they give the abstract ideas of the nation in a concrete form. Thus they would instill a sense of nationality in the citizen of the countries. So here we found that both the Germania and the Marinia, they were female, and they have aware the people respectively, and they unified the people that we are belong to a one nation. They stood a personification, or you can say that they have given the one identity, that is republic and liberty, that they have personified both of the word. They were portrayed, or you can say such they give the abstract ideas of the nation. So here you also found that who were Marini, and another reference who were Marinia and the Germania. What was the Marinia and also female? In the previous video we have discussed. Same slide is here. So I hope that these questions you have understand by all means. So we need a little bit knowledge, or you can say we have need to write only a short note on the Marini and you can say that Germania and what importance for the. So you feel that they have given the 4 words, and your personification of the 4 words: equality, liberty, fraternity, and also they have symbolized or unified the nation of the France. And we have discussed this question, the third questions of your book illustratively. I hope that you have understand properly, and please, I heartily request you that subscribe my channel and like these videos and share, and if you have any misunderstanding you can comment easily, and that's why, because in future I would make or improvement my lectures and videos. I hope that you will subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.